Coming to the learning objectives of today's topic, at the end of this lecture, the first year students may be able to know the definition of enzymes, the classification of enzymes, nomenclature of enzymes, an overview of isoenzymes or isozymes, the therapeutic uses of enzymes, and enzymes in clinical diagnosis or diagnostic role of enzymes. Coming to enzymes, enzymes may be defined as they are biological polymers which catalyze biochemical reactions. Most of the proteins, most of the enzymes are usually proteins in nature. With the exception of catalytic RNA molecules, the catalytic RNA molecules are also known as ribozymes, and these ribozymes are found in ribosomes. Actually, they are hybrids of protein and ribonucleic acid molecules, and they are involved in the synthesis of proteins. The process in which proteins are synthesized is called translation. So, with the exception of catalytic RNA molecules or ribozymes, all other enzymes are proteins. The enzymes that catalyze the conversion of one or more compounds into one or more different compounds enhance the rates of the corresponding non-catalyzed reactions by factors of at least 10 raised to the power 6. The compounds in which the enzyme acts are known as substrates, and as a result of enzyme catalyzed reaction, the compounds which are produced are known as products. The spontaneous reactions are usually very slow as compared to the reactions which are catalyzed by enzymes. The enzymes are neither consumed nor permanently altered as a consequence of their participation in a reaction. No. Enzymes are classified by the reaction type. The commonly used names for most enzymes describe the type of the reaction catalyzed, followed by the suffix "ase". For example, dehydrogenases remove hydrogen atoms, proteases hydrolyze proteins, isomerases catalyze rearrangements in configuration. The enzymes which remove hydrogen atoms are called dehydrogenases. The enzymes which hydrolyze or which are used for the breakdown hydrolysis of proteins are known as proteases. Those enzymes which catalyze isomerization are known as isomerases. Isomers are those compounds which have exactly the same number of atoms, but their arrangement is different. Modifiers may precede the name to indicate the substrate. For example, xanthine oxidase is an enzyme which acts on the substrate xanthine. Enzymes may be named by the source of the enzyme. Pancreatic ribonuclease is an enzyme which is produced by the pancreas, so its name is according to its source. Pancreas, it is named as pancreatic ribonuclease. Hormones may be named by its regulation. An enzyme lipase whose regulation is sensitive to a hormone is named as hormone sensitive lipase. The enzyme may be named due to its mechanism of action. For example, cysteine proteinase. Despite the clarity of the International Union of Biochemical Systems, the names are lengthy, so we generally continue to refer to enzymes by their traditional names. The IUB name for hexokinase illustrates both the clarity of the IUB system and its complexities. The IUB name for enzymes are clear, but they are usually lengthy and complex. For example, the IUB name of hexokinase is ATP-D-hexose 6 phosphotransferase EC2711. The enzyme code is 2711. This name identifies hexokinase as a member of class 2 and the class 2 is transferases subclass 7 in which there is transfer of a phosphoryl group and subclass S1 in which alcohol is the phosphoryl acceptor. Whereas the hexose 6 indicates that alcohol phosphorylated is on carbon number 6 of a hexose. But as the name is lengthy and complex, we continue to call it a hexokinase. Now, coming to the classification of enzymes. To
Sir,
address ambiguities, the International Union of Biochemists developed an unambiguous system of an enzyme nomenclature in which each enzyme has a unique name and code number that identify the types of reaction catalyzed and the substrate involved, and we have discussed the example of hexokinase. Now coming to the classification of enzymes. Enzymes are classified into 6 major classes, namely oxidoreductases, transferases, hydrolases, lyases, isomerases, and ligases. Now coming to oxidoreductases. Oxidoreductases are those enzymes which catalyze oxidation and reduction reactions. The oxidation and reduction reactions are also known as redox reactions. The redox reaction is basically a type of chemical reaction in which the oxidation states of atoms are changed. Redox reactions are characterized by the actual or formal transfer of electrons between chemical species. Most one species underlying oxidation while the other undergoing reduction. Oxidation is actually the loss of electron and reduction is actually the gain of electron. The examples of oxidoreductases are alcohol dehydrogenase, lactate dehydrogenase, xanthine oxidase, and glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase. Lactate dehydrogenase. The lactate dehydrogenase enzyme catalyzes the conversion of lactate into pyruvate. In this case, in the presence of NAD, hydrogen is removed from the lactate. So, lactate is oxidized. Transferases. The second class of enzyme is known as transferases. Transferases are those enzymes which catalyze the transfer of moieties or groups, such as the glycosyl, methyl, or phosphoryl groups. Examples of transferases include alanine transaminase, hexokinase, and phosphoglucobutase. Hexokinase is an enzyme which belongs to the second class of enzyme transferases, and it catalyzes the transfer of phosphoryl group or phosphate from ATP to glucose. In the presence of hexokinase, glucose and ATP is converted into glucose 6-phosphate and adenine diphosphate. Hydrolases. This is the third class of enzyme. The hydrolases are those enzymes which catalyze the hydrolytic cleavage of carbon-carbon, carbon-oxygen, carbon-nitrogen, and other bonds. Hydrolases catalyze the breakage of bonds between these atoms, and the absence of water is necessary in case of hydrolases. Hydrolases will catalyze the cleavage of carbon-carbon, carbon-oxygen, and carbon-nitrogen bonds in the presence of water. Example of hydrolases include glucose 6-phosphatase, pepsin, and trypsin. The glucose 6-phosphatase, which is an example of hydrolases in the presence of water, it catalyzes the cleavage of this glucose 6-phosphate into glucose and inorganic phosphate. The glucose 6-phosphate is broken down into glucose and inorganic phosphate. Lyases. Lyases is a class of enzyme which catalyzes the cleavage of carbon-carbon, carbon-oxygen, and carbon-nitrogen and other bonds. In this case, there will be elimination of atom and double bonds will be found. In case of lyases, the cleavage does not require the presence of water as compared to hydrolysis. So lyases catalyze cleavage of carbon-carbon, carbon-oxygen, carbon-nitrogen, and other bonds by atom elimination, leaving double bonds. Examples of lyases include fumarase and argininosuccinase. Argininosuccinase is an enzyme which belongs to the class lyase, and it catalyzes the cleavage of argininosuccinate into arginine and fumarate. Isomerases. Isomerases, this is the class of enzyme which catalyze the geometrical or structural changes within a molecule. Examples of isomerases include phosphohexose isomerase, retinol isomerase, and racemases. Phosphohexose isomerase, which belongs to the class of enzyme isomerases, it catalyzes the conversion of glucose 6-phosphate to fructose 6-phosphate. The number of atoms in these two compounds, glucose 6-phosphate and fructose 6-phosphate, is exactly the same, but their arrangement is different. Ligases. This is the sixth class of enzyme. Ligases catalyzes the joining together of two molecules coupled to the hydrolysis of ATP. Examples of ligases include glutamine synthetase and DNA ligase. Succinic acid and CoA-SH reacts in the presence of ligases to form succinyl-CoA, and this ligase enzyme catalyzes the joining together of succinic acid and CoA-SH. Coming to isoenzymes or isozymes. Isoenzymes or isozymes are different forms of the same enzyme. These isoenzymes or isozymes are physically different from each other. Each of the isozyme catalyzes the same biochemical reaction. The cellular location or distribution of the isoenzymes vary. Different isozymes of the same enzymes are found in different tissues. Group of enzymes which are present in an organism and catalyze the same reaction but are physically different from each other are called isoenzymes or isozymes. These are protein catalysts, and these isoenzymes arise through gene duplication. Coming to the isoenzymes of lactate dehydrogenase or LDH. Lactate dehydrogenase is an enzyme of electrophoresis. Electrophoresis is a process in which molecules are separated in an electric field. Lactate dehydrogenase is an enzyme of electrophoresis and has been found in 5 different forms. The lactate dehydrogenase isoenzyme 1, lactate dehydrogenase isoenzyme 2, lactate dehydrogenase isoenzyme 3, lactate dehydrogenase isoenzyme 4, and lactate dehydrogenase isoenzyme 5. Each one of these 5 groups has a molecular weight of around 34,000 and consists of 2 polypeptide chains which are of the H and M types. The different isoenzymes have a variable number of these peptide chains. For example, the first isoenzyme, which is found in skeletal muscles, has 4 M chains. The second isoenzyme of lactate dehydrogenase, which is found in heart muscle, has 4 H chains. The other 3 isoenzymes, these have the composition. The first one has 3 M and 1 H chains. The other has 2 each of M and H chains. And the third one has 1 M and 3 H chains. These are found in both skeletal and cardiac muscles. So the different forms of lactate dehydrogenase are LDM4, LDM3H, LDM2H2, LDM3 LDMH3 and LDH4. The LDH1 or first isoenzyme of LDH is found in cardiac muscles only, and it consists of 4 H chains. The LDH5 or fifth isoenzyme of lactate dehydrogenase, it is found in skeletal muscles only, and it consists of 4 M chains. Whereas LDH2, LDH3, LDH4, these are found in both cardiac and skeletal muscles. The LDH2 isoenzyme of lactate dehydrogenase has 3 H and 1 M chains. The LDH3 has 2 each of the H and M chains. The LDH4 has 1 H and 3 M chains. Coming to the isozymes or isoenzymes of creatine phosphokinase or creatine kinase, CPK or CK. Creatine phosphokinase enzyme is a dimer of two polypeptides called B and M. The B is associated with brain, whereas the M is associated with muscle. The creatine phosphokinase enzyme has 3 different isoenzymes. The CPK-MB, it is specific for cardiac tissue and it is found in cardiac muscles. The CPK-BB is found in brain tissue, whereas the CPK-MM is found in skeletal muscles. The CPK-MB isoenzyme of creatine kinase is specific for cardiac tissue, and it raises in the serum of patients with acute myocardial infarction. So, the CPK-MB can be used in the diagnosis of acute MI. Now, we will briefly discuss the therapeutic uses of enzymes. Enzymes can be used in the form of ointments, injectable, and edibles. For example, lipases, proteinases, amylases, and pepsin are used for digestive disorders. Urokinase, streptokinase are used for lysis of blood clots, while thrombin is used for the formation of clot to prevent or stop bleeding. Hyaluronidase enzyme is used in skin ointments, and it increases the absorption of ointment through the skin. Now, diagnostic role of enzyme or enzyme and clinical diagnosis. Amylase, you have amylase in acute pancreatitis. It is used for the diagnosis of acute pancreatitis. Alkaline phosphatase is increased in obstructive jaundice. The serum glutamate pyruvate transaminase level raises in acute liver damage. The serum glutamate oxaloacetate transaminase level raises in acute liver damage, but may also be raised in acute myocardial infarction. The creatine phosphokinase or CPK level raises in acute MI. The LDH or lactate dehydrogenase level raises in acute MI. But the level of CPK may also be increased in muscle diseases, and the level of lactate dehydrogenase may also be raised in acute liver damage. Now, this table principal serum enzymes which are used in clinical diagnosis. The serum enzyme aminotransferase, the aspartate aminotransferase is used in the diagnosis of myocardial infarction, whereas the alanine aminotransferase enzyme is used for the diagnosis of viral hepatitis. Similarly, amylase and lipase are used in the diagnosis of acute pancreatitis. Ceruloplasmin is used for a diagnosis of Wilson disease or hepatolenticular degeneration. Wilson disease is actually an autosomal recessive disease. It is a rare disorder in which there is deposition of copper in various organs of the body, such as the liver, brain, cornea, and kidneys. The creatine kinase enzyme is used for the diagnosis of muscle disorders and myocardial infarction. This creatine kinase enzyme, its isoenzyme CPK-MB is specific for cardiac tissue and its level raises in serum after acute myocardial infarction. lactate dehydrogenase. The fifth isoenzyme of lactate dehydrogenase, that is LDH5, is used for the diagnosis of liver disease, whereas the first isoenzyme or LDH1 of lactate dehydrogenase is used for the diagnosis of myocardial infarction. The enzyme acid phosphatase has a diagnostic value in metastatic carcinoma of the prostate, whereas the enzyme alkaline phosphatase level raises in various bone disorders and obstructive disorders of the liver. Certain enzymes assist in the diagnosis of myocardial infarction or MI. Detection of an enzyme must be possible within a few hours of an MI to confirm a preliminary diagnosis and permit initiation of appropriate therapy. Enzymes that only appear in the plasma 12 hours or more following the injury are of limited utility compared to those enzymes which appear within 2 to 4 hours of injury in the plasma or serum. The first enzymes used to diagnose myocardial infarction were aspartate aminotransferase, alanine aminotransferase, and lactate dehydrogenase. The aspartate aminotransferase and alanine aminotransferase were not ideal for the diagnosis of myocardial infarction, as their level also raises and as they appear in the plasma very slowly, relatively slowly, and they are not specific for heart muscle. Their level in the serum raises and other disorders as well, such as liver diseases and disorders of the muscle. The lactate dehydrogenase first isoenzyme or LDH1 is predominantly found in heart tissues, whereas the fifth isoenzyme of lactate dehydrogenase or LDH5 is predominantly found in the liver. Thus, tissue injury releases a characteristic pattern of LDH isozymes that can be separated by electrophoresis and thus uh, can be detected. Today, lactate dehydrogenase is superseded as a marker for MI by other proteins that appear more rapidly in plasma, such as the troponin I and T. Coming to creatine kinase, the MB isoenzyme of creatine kinase is specific for heart tissue and it has a useful diagnostic window. The CKMB appears within 4 to 6 hours of an MI, peaks at 24 hours and returns to baseline by 48 to 72 hours. The creatine kinase isoenzymes are separable by electrophoresis, thus facilitating their detection. Today, in most clinical laboratories for the diagnosis of myocardial infarction, creatine kinase has been supplemented by troponin. Troponin is a complex of three proteins involved in muscle contraction in skeletal and cardiac muscles. Remember that troponin is not found in smooth muscle. The troponin, which is a complex of three proteins and which is involved in contraction of muscles, it is only found in skeletal and cardiac muscles. Immunological measurement of plasma levels of cardiac troponins I and T provide sensitive and specific indicators of damage to the heart muscle. Troponin levels rise 2 to 6 hours after myocardial infarction and remains for 4 to 10 days. Cardiac troponins thus serves as a marker of all heart muscle damage. The class of enzyme that catalyzes the joining together of two molecules coupled to the hydrolysis of ATP is called this is basically the definition of ligases, which catalyzes the joining together of two molecules and it is coupled to the hydrolysis of ATP. Ribozymes are catalytic RNAs. Except from the ribozymes, all the enzymes are proteins. The ribozymes are found in ribosomes. Ribozymes are hybrids of ribonucleic acid and proteins, and they are involved in protein synthesis. The process in which protein are synthesized is known as translation. If someone asked about the catalytic activity of nucleic acids, so the answer will be that ribonucleic acid or RNAs have catalytic activity, whereas the deoxyribonucleic acids or DNA does not have any catalytic activity. The enzyme hexokinase is an example of, this is an example of the second class of enzyme known as transperases. Example of hydrolysis is amylase, which is used for the hydrolysis of polysaccharides. The serum amylase level is raised in acute pancreatitis. Following myocardial infarction, the enzyme which is raised in the serum of a patient with MI, the first enzyme which is raised is creatine kinase. Nowadays, SGUT, LDH and these enzymes are not used as a markers for myocardial infarction. Only the creatine kinase is used, and its use is supplemented by the protein troponin I and T, which are used for the diagnosis of MI. Their level raises earlier as compared to the other enzymes. The creatine kinase enzyme is found in which tissues? It has three isoenzymes. The CKMM is found in myocardium. The CKBB is found in brain tissues, whereas the CKMB is specific for cardiac tissues. So, a creatine kinase enzyme is found in all of the above tissues. I hope all of you to be fine and doing well. Some of the students were asking for the updated guidelines of cardiovascular module and respiratory module. I have